Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Overlooking the Richmond Estates and 10 minutes from the highway lies the best kept secret in St. Anne. This breathtaking view of the Caribbean Sea is worth the trip to the house you will call home. Tucked away between the mountains and the sea gives the freshest air you could ever ask for. Temperature of unbelievable cool degrees, and the nighttime view of a well-lighted city from your many balconies. You will never suffer from a water lock-off because you are blessed with natural water harness and stored to excess. Solar water heater and hurricane shutters are additional amenities. This home is like newly built with spacious ensuite bedrooms and a kitchen you would love for its oversized capacity, which makes it perfect for entertainment. There is also a beautiful staircase, laundry area, walk-in closets, spacious landing area, single car garage, and the house is fully grilled. There is plenty of room for your infinity pool, topped off with a number of fruit trees and a beautiful garden. This house sits on zero point 0.5 acres of land. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 550,000 or Jamaican $84.6 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.